So here see, so in the JavaScript yesterday, what we have discussed in the data types, one is the primitive and second one is non-primitive, right?
Yes.
So primitive data types and non-primitive data types. So in the primitive data types, how many types are there? Number. Second one, what? Have you written? Muskan, have you written these primitive data types?
Yes, sir.
What are they? Number,
Number Boolean.
number string, Boolean, joining. So come to the primitive data types. We have number string, Boolean, null, undefined. Okay, now in non-primitive data types we have objects,
Array.
array. Okay, now these are the two, and regular expressions also there, but we are just go with the object and arrays. So let's see everyone. So how it works actually. So we are going into the advanced concept from now. So today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, Thursday, Friday, right? So maximum the modules which are the JavaScript we have to complete, and then the download session JS, right? So now we are in the here in the writing optimizing code also. We are yesterday we have discussed some part, and call stack memory heap I'll tell you today, and stack overflow also. Stack overflow, garbage collection, Node.js single threaded model, like executive content, lexical environment, scope, hosting, function invocation, functional scope and block scope, and this call bind method IAFE. I can able to explain next class, and then come to the next one, array functions objects. So it's covered by the primitive non-primitive data type. Okay, pass by value, pass by reference, I'll tell you later, and closes also explained today, and then functions objects. Okay, now how to use the functions and objects also. Higher order functions, map, filter, bind method, and ES6 feature also I'll explain this keyword, new keyword, no. So whatever the concept which are remaining, I'll explain the next class. Okay. So maximum will try to complete today most of the like event loop, premises, and then callback. Okay, callback methods. Okay, now error handling I'll tell you in the in the when we are fetching the APIs. I'll give the one API, and to integrate the API, so you can able to display the images. I'll give an API, and I'll give an example also. You can do your own, and I'll give the APIs to you by tomorrow. I think so. I can able to give the one API on fetching API. If you have some data, images, and all those things, just you have to integrate. I'll tell you how to do it, but you do after the class. Okay. Now. So now, so come to the JS Fiddle. JS Fiddle is an online editor. So listen carefully. I can't able to repeat again and again. Okay. Because when I go into the home, it will take at least 9 o'clock. For you, I don't know. So for me, it's required like take the food early and come back to the like office very early. So that's why I have to complete the JavaScript as well. So on the React also, maximum tomorrow by next month, maximum at least 20. I'll complete, and I'll give the practice time to like create and single page web applications, Bootstrap, and all those things. Okay, so in the JavaScript, let's see what is the var. Var is a global variable, right? Var a equal to, let take the 8. So yesterday also, like due to the power issue, I can't able to explain properly. So type of type of a. Okay, now run this code. What is the value of 8 is a number. Okay, now and then var b equal to what? 9. Console.log. So there is a type of b. So take one string. Okay, text. Run this code. What is this string, right? Text. Please give the answer, then only you can able to remember very fast. Okay, then next one. What is next? Where c is boolean, right? What is the boolean actually? True or false? In online you can also be part of the class. You can also like tell the answers. What is the value of c? What is the type of c? What is the type of c?
Yes, sir.
Boolean. Yeah, okay. And then next one, where d equal to null. So this is a very important feature. Console.log type of type of d. What is the null value? Take down. This is an object. Okay, object, very very important. So if someone asks what is the null type, the type of null, so this is an object. Okay, the next one is what? Float. What? Undefined. So undefined is also one of the data type. Okay, now so I'll tell you in the non-primitive data type how we are using the undefined. And type of d, what is the type of d? Undefined. Okay, so then next one, hope you have written all those things and use the constant. I am writing the non-primitive data types. One is an object. Let's see. Object, you can take the object as a person. Person is object, just write like this. And person name, you can take the name, text, comma, age. So age is, so take the single quotes and double quotes based on your choice, 34 or else 26. So name text is not good, but take the John. Okay, so he is having occupation. What is his occupation actually? So let's take anything. So he is like a social worker or okay, social worker. Let's see. Run the code. We are not getting anything, right? We are not printing the values. What?
We use comma at the end of the statement.
Yeah, in flower brackets use the object like this. We are using the objects like this. Okay, if I want to print the object, let console log person. Run this code. You get like this. You will get like this. Okay,
So why did we get age of the age?
yeah, it's not like it takes whatever the alphabets we have, alphabets and whatever the size of the memory. So but we need only whatever we have, the age and name, occupation. So if I want to print the only age, what I have to do? Dot age. Okay, dot age. See everyone, dot age 26. If I am using the name, if I want to print the value of run, see, you will get like this. If I want to use the document dot write, okay, document dot write person dot name. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the class. Okay, document dot write, just use the semicolons. Okay, here also document can be formal level. Hmm, remove this. Try to implement. Okay, now John will be printed in the browser. Okay, now I want to print the name, then I can able to print the name in the browser. This is the browser. Okay, document.write. Okay, now understood. If I want to print the social worker, what I have to do? Hmm? Sabah and Muskan. If I want to print the social worker in the browser, what I have to do?
Document dot write.
Yeah, document.write, and within this,
Next.
which
Person dot
person dot
name.
name. What is name?
John.
But I have to print the social worker. What I have to do? This is name. Okay, I already printed. This is not. This is the previous one result. I have to print the social worker. What?
person dot occupation.
Yeah, person dot occupation. Simply you can say please listen, please pay some attention. Okay, now it's very easy and very difficult. If you practice, then it's very easy. Then remove this all. Then take array. Okay, now array. So what is array? Collection of
Collection of elements.
collection of element. Element here. What is element?
Same data type. Collection of same data
Data
type.
type. Same.
Same.
Why can't I take the strings, numbers,
That's also.
object? I can also take the object in the array.
No, sir. If we take a number in the string array, then it has to be whole numbers. And
It's not like that.
it's in the
Yeah, actually we can able to do that, but if we are using the additional like take the arithmetic operations, like subs, whatever the operations we have, so we can use like that only. But we can use any characteristics, not a problem. Okay, now. So let's see. So you can take the one. So like name of the John. Okay, John. Is take the string. He is having the 25 years of age, and he is a software engineer. Is it work? If you write console.log err, run this code. John 25 software engineer. So if I am writing the spread operator, what will happen? Spread operator. Spread means 3 dots. It's remove the array. Spread operator. Spread operator. Okay. If I have to push the, see, if I want to push the value, take the array one. Okay, no, equal to array dot push. Okay, the value is 40, 45, 43. Okay, and array one I am printing right now. So take that. That is what we are getting. syntax error, right? So take array dot one, just print the array dot one. We are getting what? 4. See, it do again same thing. Four. Why it takes the 4?
Yes.
Take the var here. Var. Use this. 4 only, right? So do one thing. In var array 1, array 2 equal to, take the other one, hello dot 56 dot 34, like mini. So I am taking the three of the numbers here. Three of the here I am using the three of the name and string and all of them. So use this var not var arr 1 dot, okay now, push, okay, push dot, so it's arr1 push dot arr. So what I'm getting here, so what I get the value, console dot log arr. So you will get this. What is the value of array 1? I will take the array.
Hello.
Hello now.
Yes, sir.
Hello only na.
Hello, 56 and wait.
Yeah, okay, run this. What will happen? So push means split operator we are using. Take the remove the split operator here. Remove the split operator. What will happen? It takes the array. Okay now, the array value, if you take the two arrays, you can add the both of the values in the same array. We are using the split operator. Okay now, this is one example. If I'm saying the theory, you are not understand. Okay, it is somewhat advanced concept only. Split operator. If someone asks, this is in the ES6. Okay, ES6 concepts. Some advanced concepts in the JavaScript. Have you heard this word split operator before? You are not completed in offline. They are also having some knowledge in the JavaScript. What is the next one? Memory allocation, right? Okay, now have you written? Have you written this? Understood how why you are using the operator?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah. See. So here var not var const object, sorry, yeah, object, okay, object equal to name of the person John, JOHN, and the next one is age. Okay, age 34. Okay, so I am using here this John, this object only. I am printing here only. Okay, now I have to print here. Is it work? Is it no? Let's see. Okay now. So what it is? It is printing within the array. Object is printing within the array.
Okay.
Printing within the array. So why we are going to the primitive and why we are going to the non-primitive? Primitive, what is primitive?
Only small data can be
Yeah, can be stored in the variables. But in the arrays and strings, so we are large amount of the data we can able to store in particular object or array. Okay. So this is the one. So we are good with that, right? There are so many concepts, but we are learning only the few concepts in the like in the basic way. So next one is, have you written right? So let's see the next one. So var a equal to 45 and console.log 23, not 23, a. So what is the value of a?
45, sir.
45. Okay, you will get the 45. What is the value of b?
43.
Huh?
3, sir.
What is the value of output? Output, what you get the output?
maybe undefined.
Undefined, huh?
Yes, sir.
Undefined, huh?
Common.
Okay,
No,
undefined.
sir. 43,
Undefined.
sir.
Undefined. So it is nothing but an lexical environment. Okay, I'm completed this topic right now. Lexical environment. Lexical environment means, see, what is the lexical environment? So to declare the, write down, to declare the variables in the top of the code. Top, we should declare the top of the code. Okay, then only you will get 43. Okay, now.
Okay, sir.
Hosting. Sorry, it is a hosting. Okay, hosting. This is nothing but hosting. And what is the lexical environment means? Lexical environment is means, so in the same way only, same thing, but see, where b equal to 5. What is the value of b? Hmm? What is the value of b? 5. Yeah. Why?
It is a global variable, so we changed the value.
Oh, okay. So I'm using the const. Okay. Okay then. So let's take the var here, const here. Is it works? No, no. Is it works? Okay, let's see. We are getting the error because already it will be declared. Okay, so let's see. Not only the var and see, b equal to 43. Okay, and var equal to b equal to
5.
5. Yeah. Okay. What is the value of this? What is the value of b?
34.
I I never give the gifts to you, but tell the answers. I need answers. Okay. B is 30.
34.
5. Yeah? Okay. 5. Why? Hmm? What is the value of b? 5. Yeah.
5. 5.
Why? 34. So see everyone, where b equal to 5 is, where is the global variable? Okay, I agree. B is also a global variable. Without having any declaration, the value will be like it is acts as a global variable. So see everyone, so we are done with the three of concepts right now. Three concepts. First one is hosting. Hosting, to declare the variable at the top of the level, and lexical environment means whatever the value you declared. So the step by step we have to return the return the code. So while execution the particular code, so then we should write the code from line by line. So it will be also execute the line by line code. Okay, and the execution context also I will tell you what is this execution context. And one more, call stack and memory heap. Call stack and memory heap also I can able to deliver right now. Call stack and memory heap. See everyone, memory heap. What is the memory heap? What is the call stack? Let's do. This is some you are not understand, but function A. Take the function A. Console.log A, not A, C, and where const. Just take the variable where d equal to, sorry, where c equal to 4. Okay, I am invoking the function here. Invocation means, what is invocation? Yeah, calling the function, to call the function. So let's see, we are printing the two values, right? Take the only single value. What is the value of c?
Something.
4. Okay, now 4. Okay, good. And where a equal to 3. Okay, what is the value of CA?
3.
3. So how the value is printing here? How the values are printing? First one and next one. A, okay. A, okay. Hey, you should not write A, okay, here. Take another one, because the function name and the value should be different. What is the values we are getting right now? 3 and 4. D 3 now, C 4.
Yes.
Okay, you will get this. And the next one. This is what? Function. See, this is what? Function invocation. Invoking the function means, so we are calling the function here. Then let's see. Let's see everyone.
Sir, if you don't write A parenthesis last line, and add for
You open up. Invocation and enti. What is the meaning of invocation?
call of the function.
Yeah, how to call the function? You just use the only A, don't happen. Just you are not calling the function. The function means open brackets, close bracket. Okay, normal brackets only. You will get error simply. See, this is only right. You are asking, is there any code is executing? Now you are getting right. See everyone, let's see next one. Let C is equal to 4. Let B equal to 3. Okay, now you can tell what is the value of B and what is the value of C. How they are printing the values. If you know the concept, then only will say it is right, or else it is wrong. But what are the values you are getting here? What is the let? What is let actually? What is the let? What is the let actually? Where it is? It is in the variables, right? Which variable it is? Let is. How many types of variables in the JavaScript? Open book, read it once, take time. Yeah, local variable. See. So let is nothing but an block scope. Okay, block scope. And see, let just run it. You will get 3 and 4, right? Okay, now you will get 3 and 4. Let's see. I am writing the code. I am printing the value of D here. Okay, now what is the value of this? What is the value of this now? 4 and 3, na? Okay. 4 and 3. Okay. Good. Next one. What is the value of this? 4?
4 3.
4 3, na? Run this code. 4 and 3. D is not defined. See, you get some answer. So it's let is a block scope variable. Whenever the block of code you are mentioned the let, it is the only not a global variable. It's a local variable. Means whatever the local code you are writing the let is equal to some variable. That variable we are printing the next after the function call. If you wrote the before the function call, may it works. After the function call, let's see. Do one thing. Block scope variable we can't get even normally. See, it's directly printing the value with the some. So before what we are getting at least 4. Now we are not getting even. So here you have to understand one single note. So now call stack and memory heap. Okay, now call stack and memory. Okay, now call stack and memory heap we have to understand right now. What is the call stack? We are calling the function, right? We are calling the function. First of all, what we are calling actually here? So this is the function actually, the memory heap. This is a memory heap. First one, we are calling the function A. Here, calling the function. What will happen next? It won't give the any result normally, but It's a memory heap means it's already having d is equal to 3. D equal to 3. If you call the function, then c is equal to 4.
4.
It is already in the memory. So if you call the a, if you call the a, so let's see, if we call the a, so what will happen? The function will call and it gives the result. So here you are already declared c is equal to 4. That is why first of all you are getting a. Okay, now in the next one, console.log d you are printing. So what is the value of actual d? 3, right? 3. It is a block
Three,
scope.
sir.
Block scope. That's why you are not getting. So if you write like this, you will get it, because so it won't go to the next line. So then it's again you are already printed, right? T equal to 4. So within the block scope, it is the printing the call stack. Again it's printing the a value. First of all, it is already stored the a value, a, d and 4 value. Okay, now so here what will happen next phase? First it is the printing value of d, then after calling a only, then function will call, then again c is printing. See here, what is the call stack to call the function? So um, so whenever you call the function, the memory will like the variable stored in the memory, and whatever the values we are printing, the values are displayed in the uh, console. Okay, now so it is nothing but an call stack and memory heap. Okay, now writing optimizing the code means, so we are already designed, like already we are explained, right? In the garbage collection, let's see, garbage collection. See, in the garbage collection, let's remove this. So I am taking the values function b, okay, function b, and the value of e equal to 4. I equal to take the 5. Console you are printing the e value, okay. So then you are calling the b. So how many functions are there here? 2, right?
2, sir.
2. If I am writing this function, inside the function, then say, so what are the values are printing right now? Okay, now tell me. First of all, 4 and 5, yeah?
4 and 5, sir.
Okay, 4, but why is not printing the value of e? 5.
We cannot call the nested functions.
We can't call next.
And a function inside a function won't be allowed.
Yeah, okay. Okay, let's see. Clear this console. So I am writing the variable. So take the var here. Take the var. Okay, now. So let now we can say what is the value of c. But how the printing the values? Okay, now. How the printing the values of c, and how the printing of the value of e. Tell me. So I am writing first variable c, okay? C equal to 4 and function is a, right? And in the function is when we are calling the function a, the value of c is printed here. And then when I call the b, e equal to 5 is printing. Okay, now. So inside of the b only, we are printing the a. Inside of the b, after the b, then again within the function only a is printing. Okay, so what are the values we are getting right now? Is it works? Run this code. B is not defined. B is not defined. So B is not defined means, so in the function you call this function here and you call the function a is here. Is it works? Works, right? B is B. After the B we are calling. Then a is up to here, right? Then it works. Run this 4 5. This is nothing but, see, this is the concept. This is the concept which is in the, see, closures. Nested function also is, it works. Why? Because then when you write the code, function within the function, okay na, function within the function will get the values of the variables. Okay na, we can able to call like outside the function. If someone asks what is the closures, we can write the function within the function to call the outer function. So in my last company, they asked this question, and after writing the question, they'll send the offer letter, my emphasis. Okay, only one question, and then remaining all experience thing, experience, how much of your experience and which projects you have done, all those things they're asked. Closes. Okay now. So arrays are over, functions are over, objects are over, and then primitive data types are over. Static and dynamic type. Static and dynamic type we'll able to explain. And then closes, okay. Functions and objects also same. So then here let's see. Hoisting. Okay. Lexical environment to write, to execute the code line by line, and to check the code also. Please check the code from line by line. Scope also. Scope. What is the scope actually? Scope chain. Block scope. I explained, right? Block scope and then global scope. So what is the blocks here? Function scope and global scope. In the block scope, when you write the let function, like let is a variable, right? You will get the within the block only. You will get the let output within the function only. Otherwise, we can't get. Let's see. I'll give the one example for the function scope and global scope, and the lexical scope and dynamic scope also. So, and applying by method, we'll go to the next class. Not a problem. So now we can see. Yeah, you can write the code. This is the what? This is for what? Closes. Closes lexical environment and call so what we discussed here call stack and memory heap, all are the same example. One by one, so printing the value and call the memory. First of all, what we are calling b value, then we'll getting the e. So if a value is printing, then we'll get the 4 first. See everyone, one small I'll give one small logic here. Can I write the another function within the function? Another function function C, have you written D you are not written, right? D open bracket console.log. So D is printing, sorry, D kadu. So we can say F. Within the F, write down let F equal to 5. Okay, now let F equal to 5. Then you call the function down D. Okay, how the values are printing right now? Tell me.
454.
Sorry, I'm taking 8. Okay, now
454.
4, 5, 4, 5, 8. How? How we can that confidence? How we get the confidence? Is it right?
Because function called D, then A, and then D.
D. Okay. So first of all, you after you call the function A, what you will get 4.
Also,
Then if you call the function B, you will get 5.
D.
And after calling the D,
X.
8. Okay, then let's see. Run this code. 4, 5, 8. Even I can't explain more for the another other classes. 10 o'clock batch. 10 o'clock batch. I am not explore these things, but I can give some effort. Are you understand today's concepts?
Yes.
Yes.
Just practice. This is a simple things, but when you go to the React, it's too difficult to understand. Okay, first of all, understand these things, then you try to like go for the advanced one. The scope, every time there asks the interview questions, advanced topics only. This is JavaScript also very advanced. It is up to date with 2023. 2023 is all all the concepts. Okay now. So what is the next one? Execution context, nothing but execution. This is the execution context. Okay, this B2 B2 this up to what? Okay, now up to this is the execution context. And then lexical environment from line to line, you can write line to line execution context. And then block scope also. Block scope means what? This is the block scope. If you write this, let F, is it works here? What is the output of this?
458.
It is what? It is where it is actually? In the B now. So within we are writing the F, let F equal to 8. But when you call the B, it is already going to the memory. If you take let F equal to A here, so then you can say what is the value of F. If you really understand the concept, then you will get call stack and memory heap. Call stack and memory heap. Same.
485, sir.
4
485.
485, yeah.
Yes, sir.
4588, 485, not 458, because see, when you call stack and memory heap, we are calling the A first here, A, then B, within the B, then again D, yeah. Okay, no? So it is comes from the like down. It's not comes from the starting onwards. Everyone like listen this, then you can understand. Then after the React.js, so we have some methods: component update mount, component will mount, component update, component will unmount. There are so many methods are there. How it works from the starting? We have to like set timeout. All the methods are there. You have to understand by these examples. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next one. Am I going very slow or fast? Hmm? Normal, huh? Whoa. Super. Let's see, everyone. Let's see. Okay, na? So, hello world. Hello world. Button. Okay, na? Click button. Click. You will get like this. Okay? Understood? So, in the JavaScript, what I am doing in the JavaScript, I am using the on-click method. On-click method. So, to call the function, A. So, I am writing the function. Am I discussed yesterday, right? A. Hmm? Console dot log. Hmm? Okay, now you click the button. So what I'm getting after click? Where? On the screen. Huh? Why it is not work? Function console dot log. In the console we are printing. Can you write any code here? Write down. Do it right now. Okay, now see here. Now it works. Okay, now if I click this, what I'm getting? You click the button. Okay, now if I'm writing print f, what is this actually? It will printing whole page. So whatever it is here in the document. Okay, got it?
Yes, sir.
Sound. New date dot to time string. Let's do so printing the value to just locate a local time string to le local time string. Okay, spelling right. to a
Two space. One space. This.
new date open bracket dot to local time string. So if I want to print the value here, value where I'm printing the value here only. So I am writing this in the function, run this code, click. What will happen? I am not even write document dot write, right? I'm not using console also, but why I'm getting like this? Click on this. Console, right? Console dot log. Run this. Okay, now you are getting the value. So if I want to remove the strings, what I'm using? Dots, huh? Is it works in the console? What will happen? It is splitting the code, splitting the complete code, splitting the numbers. Okay. So how to write array? How to write array? This is okay. How to write the array? Array here. Array. Give me a moment. The to why it is printing like this dot to string. So now I am getting what string correctly string. I am getting here this normal way. What is JS video? It is JS here only, right? Take this. If you use this, then directly you will get this use state new SPL. If I am using the split, what will happen? What will happen? You will get what you will get array. You can use like this, or else if you use this one, it's getting split means you will get the array. Okay, we'll stop the class. Okay. So this is a nothing but an event. Okay, event. So when you click on the event on click method, the event will call. Okay. here this advanced concept in the JavaScript, event loop. Okay, event loop, callback method also you can able to call the function. To calling the function, event loop means whenever you call the function, the event will occur. So whatever the you are written in the function, the event will occur, and then it will give some data. So whatever we have. Okay, if you click on this, you will get some image. You can also give here. So when you are using HTML CSS, if you click on this, the image will be like appear on the screen. You can able to give the image also. So sometimes we'll get right. And click on this, web browsers think of it. If you click on this, we'll be going to the next page. So by using the link, that is the link. And then if you click on it, the page will be showing something sometimes. Just use some effects. That effects will be coming from the JavaScript only. So hope you understand well today.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then any doubts? So you already have this stuff, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.